currently in Myanmar, Myanmar people are using, smartphone, mobile phone. 7 out of the 10 people are using, so that through the mobile data technology, people are accessing the information and also connections with the internet. But we still need to improve using data and also application. This is very important for us to make the effective use of mobile data technology. For example, we need to develop more mobile banking system and mobile payment system, and as well as to share the information. For example, in the time of the crisis, for example, in the time of disaster, disaster data and statistics are necessary for us to improve the, disaster management system, and as well as for the farmers, they can have more access for the information of pricing, and as well as the technology to improve, not only pre-harvest technology, post-harvest technology, as well as the market access, and also import of the agricultural imports. For example, farm mechanization. We need more information for the, tractors, small tractors, and also, farm equipment, so they can have more price information. So access to the data and, mobile technology is very useful if they can apply. So that we need to provide such kind of using data to the farmers, so that that kind of awareness raising we need to upgrade and update to our people. So not only for the farmers and workers, but also to the general citizen. It is also important for them to have more efficient and effective information and quality data. So to improve the quality data, it is also important to upgrade the national statistical system. So all the registration process are very important. For example, business registration, birth registration, death registration. So every registration are very important to improve the, the whole system. Yeah. All of us noted that SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, are very comprehensive and also very, detailed, and it is challenges, it is challenges for all the developing countries. So that to implement the SDG, we need to know where are we now. What is the initial stage of the starting point to implement the SDG, so that we need to develop the, baseline data, assessment for every country. We also, publish the data assessment, baseline data assessment, a report for Myanmar. And, when we develop the SDG indicators, it is very important for us to have, quality data. Not only quality data, but also disaggregate data. We need it, so that we need to improve, our, survey methodology, and we need to conduct more surveys, for the improvement of, the quality of data, as well as to compute SDG indicators and indices, so that the potential potential of the data using and technology is very important, not only for the, authorities, high authorities and, administrative departments, but also for the business community is also very important. Even a private citizen is also very important to have more access to the information and also, using data and make them more efficient and more effective, as well as, to save the resources, money, as well as time. That is, very important for them to decide, anything, so that that will, make more efficient and effective for everybody to use the to use the data and information. I mean, quality data and effective information. But the application is also very important, so that, for example, when we conduct the survey, we started to use the tablets, it is very easy for us to make the data entry and data checking, and as well as the compilation of those data. So it is, we use the, the application, software application installed in the tablet, and started to use this kind of technology in survey, in most of the survey. And as well as, data sharing. I mean, the data sources, should be reflected in the in sharing the data, so that, the potential is quite, promising. Using the data technology is quite promising. But, we also have some challenges, to improve then, for example, numeracy skill, and also, the statistics literacy, and as well as, the assessment of the data, analysis of the data, and reporting of the data. All those processes are very important, to make use of the data more efficiently and more effectively.